So this bike has a set of new all balls heavy duty ball joints. So they're greasable, and they're also adjustable for wear. And this one out of the package just needs a little bit of an adjustment made to it. So I'm just going to go through on how you do that. So just to show you the little bit of play, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it in the camera, but if you watch the little blue dot on the ball joint and just the way the knuckles moving around there, you can probably see it, and the nipple rocks just a little tiny bit. Anyway, so we're just going to do a little bit of an adjustment to it. So I'm just going to zoom this in a little bit more so you can see what I'm doing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the little clip, and that just goes all the way around this little indentation all the way around the top of the ball joint. And that is going to unlock. Hopefully we can see this. That's going to unlock this little pin, and once the clip is off, we're just going to push this pin out, and then you can thread. This is threaded on the top, this side of the socket, and you can just turn it to take up that little bit of slack that we have in that ball joint. So put you back over here so that hopefully you can see enough. And what I'm going to use is just a little flathead screwdriver to hold one side of the clip, and then I'm going to use a pick just to get that started. And once I have it started a little bit, I can get the pick in underneath, I hope. So it's probably going to take me a couple of tries to do this. Get that pick in, and there is our clip. Ring ting tingy. And now we can just slide that little pin out and unlock this. So there's the pin. Hopefully you're seeing this all okay. And then all we have to do is thread this a little bit to tighten it up and take up that slack. And we're almost there, just a little bit. I'm going to get something a little bit more rugged to be able to turn that and not damage anything. So where I have it right now is it feels pretty good, but I'm actually halfway on one of the teeth in the top, so we're just going to back it off one little notch, and then we slide the pin back in. And I'm just going to give you a quick little shot of what that's going to look like, putting that pin back in there. Just like that. Make sure it stays in the hole. And then we put our clip back on. And what I would recommend is trying to make sure that the opening is on the opposite end of that clip. You can turn it if you have to, but going to be a little stubborn. Got a little piece of my glove, but that's okay. I'm just going to turn that clip a little bit. There. So that's pretty much all there is to it. And then to double check that, I'm just going to make sure that all that play that I was feeling is now gone out of that ball joint. So that's pretty much all there is to it. And what you can also do is you can also take, sometimes you can take some of this stuff apart and grease it up, clean it and all that sort of thing too, but just make sure you keep them well greased. And yeah, that's it. Hope this helps somebody. Thanks and have a great day.